Story, what we're picking up from sources is that the interest for BPCL stake from global players, what's the latest over there? The government is looking in for a premium of as high as about 30% from the stake sale. Ruchi Bhatia is getting us all these details.
Now, I'm given to understand that the government seems pretty perked up in terms of the interest that they've received during the road shows for BPCL. So much so that the government is hoping for a big premium for BPCL stake sale. While remember, we at TT Now had reported that there's going to be a slight delay in the BPCL stake sale, but the government is hoping that this deal gets completed within the first half of the next fiscal year. They want a clean deal on the table, and we're here talking about a 30% premium that the government could be looking at for the BPCL deal. They have received interest from the likes of Aramco, Shell, Rosneft, and I'm also given to understand that as far as BPCL is concerned, the government is hoping that their 52.9% stake in BPCL is going to help them garner close to 74,000 crore rupees. All in all, we're talking about the entire company's valuations at over 1.4 lakh crore rupees. This is going to be a mega deal for the government, a mega privatization drive from the government's end, and they want a clean deal. Why we're talking about the 30% premium here is based on the future potential of the company. The government, in fact, is of the opinion that with respect to other privatization drives that the government has conducted, those companies are doing exceptionally well now, whether it is Hindustan Zinc or for that matter, when Axis Bank was done, and which is why the government wants a premium of over 30% for the BPCL deal. They have received good interest from a lot of players. They believe that the potential of BPCL is good. They will be providing the access to data room as well, so that whosoever is the potential buyer is able to look at what BPCL has on ground and what kind of potential can it get in the future. But having said that, we are here talking about a 30% premium. The government is hoping that the expression of interest for BPCL should be out by next month, that is January 2020. They're hoping that the deal will see completion by the end of April, max to max by May, and are looking at a valuation of over 74,000 crore rupees with respect to the 52% stake, 52% privatization that they have in plan for BPCL.